Combining Magrib and Ishai due to rain.
Alhamdulillah hamdan, Alhamdulillah shukra, Alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين سيد الفاقهين وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. Combining Magrib and Ishai prayer due to rain. Jama'a bain as-salatayn. In Islam, there are valid instances where combining the two prayers is allowed, and rain is one of them, but there are specific conditions. It is permissible, according to many scholars, especially in the Maliki, Shafi, and Hanbali schools. It is allowed to combine Maghrib and Isha at the time of Maghrib, when there is rain or muddy, slippery ground, and it causes hardship for those attending the mosque, especially if walking distance is involved. Even if the rain is light, if it causes discomfort or difficulty. Condition for valid combination. Number 1. In a mosque, the combination is typically observed in congregation, not individual salah. The intention must be made before finishing the first prayer. The intention will be made in our heart that you are praying Jama'a bain as-salatayn. The iqamah for each prayer should be called separately. But if you are praying alone at home, if you are not attending the mosque and you are praying at home, there is no hardship. So you should not combine Maghrib and Isha just because of slight or heavy rain. You should wait for the proper time for Isha because you are at home. Let me take it again. Yes, you can combine Maghrib and Isha at Maghrib time if you are praying in congregation prayer in the mosque. 2. If rain causes some difficulty, and you should follow the right method by making separate iqamah and niyyah for each of the two salah. You should not combine the two prayers, that is Maghrib and Isha, if you are praying alone at home, or the rain is so light that it doesn't cause any hardship. Evidence. The Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam combined Maghrib and Isha prayer in Medina when there was rain to avoid hardship on the people. It is a grievous sin to combine two salah together without any good excuse. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Man jama'a bain as-salatayn bighayri usri faqad ata baban athima min abwab al-kaba'ir. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wassalamun ala al-mursalin. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ma salam."